and I already have a Fiverr account, so it's much easier to pay you guys
Yeah,
through
yeah.
there.
It would be better if you pay by Fiverr. And if you don't mind, if you give a 5-star rating on Fiverr, then it would be also very good for us.
Okay.
Okay, sir. My name is
Okay.
Farabi, and Joy Ghosh and me, we are teammate, and we have a big digital marketing agency.
Yeah.
So previously, our team member has did some SE work for you, and I think you are satisfied. Am I correct, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir. So now you want to grow or increase more views, and so obviously we will assist you through YouTube journey. So uh, if you want to instant views, or if you want to get overnight views, so you can run a video promotions ads through Google. If you want, then we are ad expert and digital marketing expert. We have two method to growing a YouTube channel. First one is organic, and second one is paid. The organic one is YouTube SEO. SEO means, I think you know, search engine optimizations. We will optimize your video text, titles, and descriptions, and research high volume rank text for your videos. And when we optimize, then gradually your video will start to getting views. But it is an organic process, so it takes some times. But if you
Okay.
want,
So let me interrupt you. Sorry about this.
okay, no
It
problem.
takes some time. It takes some time.
Yeah.
Give me an approximation. I'm not in a rush. I don't want to do the paid way. I just want to do organic. But give me all your clients right now. What typically has been the result based on the organic SEO and the outcome, and typically what is the time period?
Okay. It's take normally 1 to 3 weeks to get results. If you take SEO or organic one. But if you want to get instant views like overnight, if you want to take 10,000, 1 million, 1 lakh views within overnight, it also organic, but you have to pay to Google for advertising your videos or promoting your videos. So we have these two options. So which options you want to choose?
I prefer at least for now, the organic. So over the next for the rest of this year, I want to just concentrate on, your organic search.
Yeah, I also suggest organic one because organic would be very best for you. So for organic SEO, we have two packages. I think you know, one is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimizations, and we will optimize each of the thing for your 10 videos, and we will it costs $120, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is we will optimize your 30 video, and it costs $300, and it needs to deliver 30 days. So now it's your choice which one you want to start with.
10. It would be obviously be 10. And if I'm producing, 2 to 3 videos per week, now the payment, is that done per video, or how do you handle payment with your clients?
Okay. We have our payment system is you have to pay 50% advance when you hire us, and rest of the 50%
Okay.
after completing the work or delivering the
Okay.
work. And for getting payment, we support Remitly, we support Payoneer, and we support Western Union. But if you do not know how to pay by Remitly or Western Union, nothing to worry about this. Our team member will guide you, no problem.
Okay. Do you don't use Fiverr or PayPal or
Yeah, yeah. We also use Fiverr, but PayPal is not supported in our territory.
okay. But you do accept Fiverr.
Yeah,
Okay. So yeah, do you have that package on your
yeah,
gig?
obviously, yeah.
Okay. The reason why is because yeah, um Remitly charges like a service fee. And I already have a Fiverr account, so it's much easier to pay you guys
Yeah,
through
yeah.
there.
It would be better if you pay by Fiverr. And if you don't mind, if you give a 5-star rating on Fiverr, then it would be also very good for us.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So thanks for joining with us, and we will try our best to grow your channel because our client satisfaction is our first priority. And if I provide you the best service today, then you will hire us for the next day. So we believe it. And as you see, my flavor tone is also hanging behind me, and we know all the rules and regulations about YouTube SEO and YouTube video promotions related work. So it would be very pleasure for us if we work with you, sir.
What's your YouTube handle?
My YouTube channel name is Farabi's Smart Diary.
Can you send me the link for that?
Obviously.
Okay, okay.
Obviously,
Send
after
me that and also send me the Fiverr gig or the
yeah,
your
yeah. Okay.
so
So
just to agree, 10 videos, 50% upfront,
yeah.
and for 10 videos SEO covering the month.
But if you order on Fiverr, then no need to give any advance. Okay, sir.
Yeah, so Fiverr, the way that I mean, but the 10 videos, you have, do you have, I mean, I would rather pay 50% in advance and then 50% at the completion. I already trust you guys, but I'd still, can you do structure the gig that way?
Yeah, we will send you an custom offer.
Okay, do
We will,
that.
yeah, we will at first, after finishing the meeting, we will send our Fiverr gig links to you. Then you just message, and then we will send you an custom offer, 10 videos for $120, and delivery time is 7 days. And then you accept it, and then we start working for you, sir. And we have two method to start the working. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can do optimization everything from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 videos links to us. Then we will optimize and make a report sheet, and we will hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste by yourself to your
Okay.
videos.
So, I mean, I'm starting today, so obviously I don't have the 10 videos produced. So can this, I guess I mean, just send Jay the link, and then after each video is completed, send him the link, then he can do the work. And then, if I'm completed 2 to 3 videos per week for the 10 per month, I can see like each week I complete either 2 or 3 videos, send him the link. Jay does the work for the SEO, sends me the work. Can we do it that way, right?
Okay,
After,
okay,
you see what I'm
okay.
saying?
Yeah, no problem. But if you want, we also can do your older video also. Your new and older video, both videos we also can do SEO.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I would just probably from here at this point forward. So each video I'm going to create, I want to do the SEO.
Okay, no problem. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send his Fiverr profile link to you, and our YouTube channel link and our website link to you. And then you just message on Fiverr, then he will send an custom offer.
Okay, so all communications then would be done through Fiverr, the
Yeah.
communications channel there, email, whatever, right?
Yeah. So thanks for your time, sir. Hope to work
Yeah.
with you for a long time. Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right,
you.
talk to you
Bye.
guys later.
Bye.
Thanks.